If you are a stock enthusiast, it's natural that you know about Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is regarded as an influential investor by the entire sector. If you are an investor, we bet you are curious to know which stocks he is buying. Hello stock enthusiasts! Welcome to yet another exciting video. In today's video, we will be talking about the 5 stocks Warren Buffett is buying right now. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification to stay updated. When Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway buys a stock, it effortlessly picks up every investor's interest. Let's now dive right into the topic to take a look at the stocks. Number 1. Citi Group. Do you know which was the first stock that delivered great profit? It was a bank stock. Tag along to find out. An important investing strategy we have to consider here is that we should have a good insight into the company. What's so important about Citi Group? Is it a well-established company? Citi Group is a well-known American multinational investment bank based in New York City. The corporation has earned much reception in the sector. The company, which gained much popularity, was formed by the merger of banking giant Citicorp and financial conglomerate Travelers Group in 1998. Warren Buffett bought about 55.2 million shares. The organization, worth $3 billion, is seen as the third largest banking institution in the United States. What's more interesting is this bank is systemically important and is understood as a bank that is too big to fail. Warren Buffett is someone who has been investing in bank stocks due to the competence it offers. If you take a look into his portfolio, Bank of America is at a $38 billion position and occupies the second position in his entire portfolio. This is the bank stock that earned him a great profit. He bought it back in 1989. It managed to mature successfully and became tens of millions of worth over time. So the key point here is that Buffett is well versed in the sector and exactly knew what he was up for. Citi Group currently trades at 51.95. It has a price-to-earnings ratio of about 6. It's quite understandable that we can understand whether a stock is undervalued through the price-to-earnings ratio. Number 2. Markel. As we said earlier, let's have an insight into the company. Here we have a company from the insurance and services sector. It also carries out investment operations around the world. It has an interesting nickname. It's widely known as Baby Berkshire. Doesn't that ring a bell? For those who don't know, it mainly got its name as many consider it a small version of Berkshire Hathaway. Warren Buffett bought about 421,000 shares. The company is worth nearly $1 million. Reinvesting in honest and competent companies helps Warren stay affixed without playing so hard. Around 15% of the entire portfolio of Markel is invested in Berkshire Hathaway. Doesn't it look like the companies have something in common? Like Berkshire Hathaway, Markel doesn't pay dividends. Markel also follows Warren's profit-generating technique or investment strategy. And it played out well for Markel. Markel is also invested in multiple operating companies. Companies ranging from household products to luxury products come under this list. These companies, including real estate companies that generate a hefty revenue, help Markel to establish itself well. As we mentioned earlier, Markel doesn't pay dividends or a portion of its profit to the shareholders. Instead, they reinvest in other companies and generate a greater profit. What makes Berkshire Hathaway different is the mesmerizing market cap. It has a market cap of over $700 billion. At the same time, Markel has a market cap of $19 billion. In a nutshell, Berkshire Hathaway belongs to a different league, and it is way bigger than Markel. Markel having such a strong performance rate and space for growth looks like the perfect stock an investor would be interested in. Number 3. Paramount. Can you guess how much worth of shares did Berkshire Hathaway buy from Paramount? About 69 million shares of the company were added to Berkshire Hathaway. The total stake is worth $2.6 billion. So what does Paramount do? Paramount is an American mass media and entertainment conglomerate headquartered at One Astoria Plaza in Midtown Manhattan, New York. The company distributes content for networks, live events, and streaming services. The company generates profit via 3 segments. About half of the profit is generated from the cable network segment. The company owns well-known networks such as Showtime, Nickelodeon, and MTV. In the present scenario, We have seen many consumers leaving the cable network and moving to digital streaming. However, Paramount is trading significantly and still keeping up with the trends. The market cap of the company is $22 billion and has a P/E ratio of around 13. Paramount is an established company in the sector. After understanding the importance of advertisement, they are now transitioning to the streaming model. The distribution model and strong portfolio back the company. Hefty investment in new content is a headwind for cash flows. The valuation may linger until revenue progress begins to catch up. That means Warren Buffett must have caught a glimpse of the improvement the company is exhibiting and signed up for the assessment. Only time will tell us how big it will make and what will be in the future. Number 4. Mckesson. Mckesson has a great performance statistic and is trading at around $333 per share. To understand whether the stock is undervalued or not, we will take a look at the P/E ratio. The P/E ratio is at around 14. So, how many shares were added to Berkshire Hathaway? Buffett bought nearly 3 million shares of the company, making the stake worth about $900 million. It is an American company that delivers pharmaceuticals and provides health information technology, medical stocks, and care management equipment. The company is playing it big, distributes about a third of all the pharmaceuticals used in North America, and has over 78,000 employees. Mckesson had a great financial year and made a revenue of $238.2 billion. While other stocks have tended to plunge in recent years, it looks like Mckesson was an exception to that. The company has been performing well and naturally attracted the attention of the entire investor world. Without much calculation or guessing, we can see why Warren Buffett might have chosen the company. When I say it's showing positive growth, you'll be wondering how big it is. In this year alone, it has shown over a 35% increase, while other major stocks, including that of the S&P 500, had a 15% dip compared to the performance it had been exhibiting before. Like Warren Buffett finds the right candidate, our task is to find the right one to invest in. How do we do that? We have to understand and analyze the market trends first. Then we will have to have a good insight into the company. Following it, we can analyze the performance statistics and can go on further. Number 5. Ally. We know the love Warren Buffett has for bank stocks. As we mentioned earlier, the first stock that worked out for him and generated a pretty good return was a bank stock. During the journey, he got a knack for strategy and continues to invest in such stocks. One of the first few stocks he invested in this year was Citi Group. We have seen how much of a big company it is, and we understand the potential. The same goes for Ally. If Warren chooses a company from an ample number of options, it just means the company has something great to offer and will progress in no time. Buffett bought 9 million shares of Ally. It has shown a great digital presence in the banking sector. It offers deposit, mortgage, and investing services. As Ally provides finances for auto dealerships, they take loans which are then used to purchase vehicles. The company generated over 65% of revenue through this method and helped the company essentially upgrade the game in no time. With that, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Do let us know your opinions in our comment section. If you like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Goodbye.